Keep them from destroying the flak guns. Hammer the infantry near that tank. The enemy tank is advancing. The tank is on the move. Their tank is pulling back. Their tank is advancing. 1 minute left. The enemy tank is advancing. The tank is backing up. They fire on the infantry by the tank. The tank is retreating.